Where you at? You want to know where I'm at? We outside. Like, this is this hair. What is up? It is your girl Zay Marie, and I am back with another YouTube tutorial. You guys, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe so you won't miss out on any videos that I post. I'm telling you, this is my year. I'm telling you, I'm gonna be pushing out a lot of content this year. Okay, y'all thought this was my hair, huh? I know y'all thought this was my hair. It's not. Y'all know I got curly hair, but this is not my hair, y'all. This is some AliExpress hair. AliExpress hair. This is AliExpress. This is AliExpress, y'all. Get into it. This crazy, right? This crazy, right? Y'all thought this was Zay's hair. Oh no, honey. No, this is not Zay's hair. No, ma'am. This is not synthetic either. This is human hair, you guys. This is actually a company that I found on TikTok, y'all. I saw a girl rocking this pretty ass hair, this hair right here. Of course, you had to know everybody goes to the comments to find out what they want to find out, right? And so I went and she tagged the freaking AliExpress store. I goes to buy it, girl. It is KF Beauty. Y'all gonna see how easy this install was. I feel like this video is gonna be like 6 minutes long because I was literally like, I took it out, I put it on, and this is what it looked like. I didn't have to pluck it, I didn't have to tweeze it, I didn't have to bleach the knots, yo. Like, I ain't had to do shit. Mind you, it's 3 in the morning. Y'all know I do my videos late. If you don't know, I do my videos late as shit. I didn't know what to do. I don't even know, do I supposed to comb this out? This is kinky curly hair. I don't know. This is bomb. Okay, this is bomb. I want to go to the beach. Like, I want to go somewhere. Everybody needs to see me. I need to be seen, right? This is, you need to see me here, okay? Like, this is not sit in your office at 3 in the morning and talk to your phone. Where you at? You want to know where I'm at? We outside. Like, this is this hair. This is this hair, okay? So I don't want to talk your head off too much, but yeah, I love this hair so freaking much. I bought this with my own money. This company doesn't even have, like, it shows that they have an Instagram, a Facebook, but I wanted to tag them, you know, because like if you tag companies and promote, hopefully they reach out to your ass, right? But I'm like, damn, like, where's y'all at? Like, I can't even really find you. So I'm just messaging them on AliExpress like, hey, I would love to collab, blah, blah, blah. But I did buy this with my own money, you guys. I want to say it was $238 for a, so this is a human hair 13x4 lace front wig, 32 inches, 180 density, kinky curly, and it was $238, I want to say. I'm pretty sure it was. But yeah, $238, 32 inches, kinky curly lace front. You cannot go wrong. Okay, you cannot go wrong. So enough of that, enough of this, y'all. Get into the video. Like, you can tell this is some bomb ass hair. Like, it's not tingling, it's not shedding, it's not nothing. It's just so full and oh my god, I thought I liked my natural hair. Oh no, ma'am, I want some kinky curly hair. This is fire. Y'all know when I do that, fire. Like, it's a hit for me. Okay, so I don't want to talk anymore. Let's get into the video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Let me know what you want to see next, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye. Okay, so this wig does come with 3 combs. It comes with 2 on the side, 1 in the back, and it also comes with an adjustable strap. I'm gonna go ahead and strap that. Now, actually, I'm not, because I don't braid my hair tight, and I actually often leave a bump in my hair, so my hair tends to be a little bit bumped out. So I'm actually happy about this hair, because you know when you brush like curly hair and stuff, it tends to get full, so it'll probably hide that. But I'm just gonna go ahead and put this on. See, is it big head friendly? Off the bat, I can tell it's big head friendly. just because of how easy this is going on. I'm not having to struggle with it at all. That lace did amazing, as you can tell, and I'm gonna cut this off. But yeah, this is definitely big head friendly. I even have room. This is, oh, I love this. This is a size large. I love the way this feels already. So I cannot wait. I can already tell this is about to be so bomb. Look at how good the scalp is. This is me just throwing this on my head right now. Yes.
Can you see me a cleanest? Clothes on me rocking and the fucking realest. Ching ching. Inna the WIGS vest, girl want with his real silicone and real bless. Can I blow a breeze for the head of my penis? Coolest breeze that me rocking a sleeveless. Ease out, ease out. Drive, look alive, niggas came up on this side, now they on the other side. Oh well, fuck them, dawg, we gon' see how hard they ride. I get racks to go outside, and I split it with the guys. We up on the other side, niggas acting like we tied. I've been gone since like July, niggas acting like I died. They won't be expecting shit when Capo go to slide, cause I told them that we put that shit behind us, but I lied. Hey, hey, look who I'm around, man. If I push me to the edge, so it really ain't my motherfucking fault, man. I'm not to blame, man. The fucking industry is cutthroat. I'm not the same, man. And I could let you check the tag. Now I'm rocking name brand. I'm only chasing after bags. Now I got a game plan, and I'm out here with the 700 3i5s. Look alive, look alive. Niggas came up on this side. Now they.
Okay, guys. So I am done with the hair. It was literally so easy to install. Oh my god, I am stunning. She's stunning. I didn't even put any makeup on it. I didn't part it. I didn't pluck it. I didn't nothing. Like, this is what she looks like. I didn't brush out the curls, nothing. Like, oh my god, I don't even think I cut off the back net. I didn't even cut off the back net. Yeah, can you just see like how fucking cute this is? This is so beautiful, so beautiful, so beautiful. Like, she is life. I love this hair. This was the most easiest install I've ever done. Like, when I say everything was already done for me, like, I was just like, what do I do? How do I make the video longer? Like, do I just blow dry again? Like, oh my god, I love this wig. AliExpress. Come on now. Come on. Yeah. This is my reaction. This is it. Like, I put a little oil sheen on it because somebody told me like that makes it easier for you to brush out the curls. But honestly, yeah, this is a 13 out of 10. Like, this is bomb. I love it. I absolutely love it. Yes, AliExpress hair. Get into it. AliExpress, sponsor me. Matter of fact, KF Beauty, sponsor me. Okay guys, thank you so much for watching my video. I hope you enjoyed this wig. I love it so much. Make sure that you comment, rate, and let me know what else you want to see on the next video. Bye.